Hi, I'm JMO from Xcase in the UK at www.xcase.co.uk. Please take a look at the website. Today I'm going to revisit one of our chassis. It's called the Xcase RM206. This is version 3. I'm revisiting it because we've got a server build in some of these, so I thought at the same time I could perhaps give you a better idea of what it looks like when there's some components built inside. So as before, we've gone over the fact that it's got a couple of 5.25 bays at the front. We can fit 3 internal hard drives at the front, a further 3 at the rear. We've got these 4 80mm fans on the centre, or close to the centre, and it's got a front mounted standard ATX power supply. Now, if you prefer not to have a standard ATX and you'd want a 2U power supply, you can in fact remove this hard drive cage. There's a bracket that comes in the box then to allow you to fit a 2U power supply at the rear. That then obviously means you've only got 3 hard drive spaces as opposed to 6. It may be on some motherboards you want more power than you can get from a standard ATX and prefer the reliability of a 2U power supply. Now, in this example, the customer's not having any optical devices fitted. They've had 2 1TB hard drives fitted in the front. These as a simple mirror RAID from the motherboard. The motherboard is a Tyan. It's a Tyan 7002. It's a dual processor Xeon board. 5500 chipset. With this chipset you can use either standard memory as fitted here, the customer wants to keep the costs low, or you can use ECC memory, higher in price but more reliable. Not that you get a great deal of issues with the standard memory, it has to be said. Tyan board's got a couple of dual LANs and a total of 8 memory slots. This particular customer's going for 1 processor at the moment and filling up the 4 banks for that processor with 4 gigs, giving them 16 gig in total. There are different variations of this motherboard which fits really nicely in this chassis. Some of them have got management features, some haven't. This is just the base model. Comes with a PCI Express x16 and 2 x 8. Now, as I say, as with any of our chassis that are on our website, we've got a very popular build section and we build hundreds of chassis, systems into our chassis. A lot of regular customers, and if you want a price on us to install something like this for you, obviously you can change the specification to however you want, then just drop us an email to sales@xcase.co.uk or give us a ring. Here you can see your green power light on the front. I've got a LAN connection. The board's got 2 LANs. One's connected, so that's there. If they're both connected, they'll both be flickering away. We've got a couple of front USBs. The fan on the Tyan board with the Xeon processor will be a little bit noisy as it first boots up, and then it will calm down. And these 4 central fans do throw out quite a lot of air, so they aren't quiet. They're not too noisy in fairness. They can be replaced for another make of 80mm if preferred, if you want to do a silent system. Now, if you do want a completely silent system, that's something we can do, just let us know. So there you have it, the X-Case RM206 chassis as a built server. I hope this was helpful.